Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to start a very important topic in economics. We are going to cover law of demand, demand curve, demand schedule, and demand function. Ready to jump in? Let's start with a definition of quantity demanded. Quantity demanded is the amount of the good or service that a consumer is willing and able to buy. Now, let's talk about the law of demand. What is the law of demand? The law of demand says, when the price of a good or service increases, the quantity demanded falls, holding everything else constant. The reverse is also true. When the price of a good or service decreases, the quantity demanded rises, holding everything else constant. So there is a negative relationship between the price of the good or service and the quantity demanded. Now, what does holding everything else constant mean? It means that, besides the price of the good or service, all other factors that affect demand are held constant, remain unchanged, like income, price of related goods or services, expectations, and tastes. The law of demand can be summarized in a graph called the demand curve. Since there is a negative relationship between the price of the good or service and the quantity demanded, the demand curve is downward sloping. On the vertical axis, we have the price of the good or service represented by P. On the horizontal axis, we have the quantity of the good or service, represented by Q. The shape of the demand curve can vary. It can be a straight line, or it can have some curvature. Now, let's learn how to draw the demand curve from a demand schedule. Here, we have the demand schedule for pizza. This table shows the quantity demanded at 6 different price levels. When the price is 0, the quantity demanded is 10. If the price increases to 1, the quantity demanded decreases to 8. When the price is 2, the quantity demanded is 6. When the price is 3, the quantity demanded is 4. When the price is 4, the quantity demanded is 2. And when the price is 5, the quantity demanded is 0. Let's mark these 6 points here. Price 0, quantity demanded 10, price 1, quantity demanded 8, price 2, quantity demanded 6, price 3, quantity demanded 4, price 4, quantity demanded 2, price 5, quantity demanded 0. Now we connect all the dots and voila, we have the graph of demand for pizzas. Let's go to exercise 2 now. If you're enjoying our content and want to help us grow, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop a comment. Consider that the demand for butter is represented by the following function. P equals 30 minus Q. A. Calculate the quantity of butter demanded when the price is 5 and when the price is 10. B. Sketch the graph of the demand for butter. Let's start with Part A. We want to know the quantity of butter demanded when the price is 5 and when the price is 10. To find these values, we need to substitute each price into the demand function. For P equal to 5, we have 5 equal to 30 minus Q. Then, we will pass minus Q to the left side of the equation, changing its sign to positive. Yes, we invert the operation. Since it is subtracting, we move it to the other side as sum. Next, we move 5 to the right side of the equation, changing its sign to negative. Again, we invert the operation. Since it is adding, we move it to the other side as a subtraction. Now we have Q is equal to 30 minus 5. Q is equal to 25. So when the price is 5, the quantity demanded is 25. Now let's find the quantity demanded when the price is 10. We have 10 equal to 30 minus Q. Again, we move minus Q to the left side and 10 to the right side, inverting the operations. So we have Q equal to 30 minus 10. Q is equal to 20. Therefore, when the price is 10, the quantity demanded is 20. Now let's move on to Part B and sketch the graph of the demand curve for butter. Since the demand function is linear, the curve will be a straight line. To draw this line, we need only 2 points. Let's use the points we already calculated. When P equals 5, Q equals 25. When P equals 10, Q equals 20. Let's plot these points on the graph and connect them with a straight line. This line represents the demand curve for butter. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you'll know when new videos are posted.